LED light strips can be complicated. Eclipse strips aren't. Let's find out how. Hi, my name's Wayne, and I have an exciting product to show you today. Eclipse Series accent kits and strips. What makes LED light strips great are their flexible design options, but sometimes those options can be overwhelming. We wanted to design a simple, easy-to-use light that would just take a few minutes to get working. So we made our Eclipse Series home accent kits. These are multicolor light strips that are simple to install and can go almost anywhere. You could light up your desk, enhance your TV viewing experience, decorate your car, modify your computer, illuminate a cabinet. You can decorate, accent, and illuminate pretty much anything with Eclipse light strips. Every kit comes with Eclipse strips, a power supply, a remote for multicolor control, strip connectors to link multiple strips together, and wire clips to keep everything tucked away nicely. Setup is usually just a couple of minutes. All you have to do is plug in your power supply and then connect it to the controller. Then connect your strips to the controller. Now peel the paper off the back and you can stick your strips to any smooth, clean, dry surface. They're easy to install and come with everything you need. Get your Eclipse light kit today.